Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add an admin to a Facebook account. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make someone an admin on a Facebook account, and it's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. The first step now is to go over to your Facebook app and make sure you're using the updated version of Facebook. So let me tap on my Facebook app to open it. You can see right here, I've opened up my Facebook app. Now the next step you have to take now is to switch over to the Facebook page that you want to make someone an admin. So for you to do that now, you have to tap on your profile icon at the right. You can see it right there at the top. So let me tap on it. You can see there it is being juxtaposed with the menu icon. The profile icon is together with the menu icon. So let me tap on it right away. Then the next step you have to take now is to switch over to the Facebook page. You can do that in 3 ways. You can do that by tapping on that drop down icon on the right hand side. Let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to choose the Facebook page that you want to switch to. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. Now this is the first method. Let me show you guys the second way you can do it. You can do it now by tapping on that switch icon. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. Once you tap on it, it's going to be switched into your Facebook page. And also you can scroll down now the third way. Then you tap on see more. Let me tap on see more. Then you tap on where you can see pages. You can see it right there. So let me tap on pages. So once you tap on pages, you're going to see all the pages that you have in your Facebook account. So now you can see the Facebook page right there. So if I want to switch now to this Facebook page, I'll just tap on switch now. So let me tap on switch now right away. So whichever way you follow is going to switch. You can see now it is switched now to the Facebook page. You can see it right there. So guys, now I've switched to the Facebook page. I want to actually make someone an admin. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the profile icon again at the top right, where the menu icon is juxtaposed with it. So let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to go over to the settings. You can do that in 2 ways. You can either tap on the settings icon at the top. You can see it right there, or you scroll downwards and tap on where you can see settings and privacy. Then you tap on settings. So whichever one you want to tap on will work out fine to take you to the same place. So let me tap on these settings right away. So guys, now under the settings and privacy, what you have to do now is to scroll down. Then you look for audience and visibility. You can see audience and visibility right there. Then under the audience and visibility, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see page setup. You can see it right there, page setup. So let me tap on it. Then under the page setup, what you have to do now is to tap on the second option, which is page access. You can see it right there. It's written invite people to help you manage your page and control who has access to it. So let me tap on page access right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see add new. So let me tap on add new at the top there at the right hand side. So guys, now these are the details of what it means to actually make someone an admin. Let me get to read it out. It says any action that you take as this page, including on ads or when checking into location, may be visible to anyone else who manages it. Anyone with Facebook access will have a shared experience, including your feed and your notifications for this page. However, each admin will see ads that are personalized to them based on their activity across Meta products. So guys, now the next step you have to take now in order to make someone an admin is to tap on next. Just take your time to read through this so that you know what it actually means to make someone an admin or actually give someone access to your Facebook page. So let me tap on next. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, who should have access to this page. So guys, now this is the point where you have to search out the person that you want to make an admin. You can either search the person using the person's name on Facebook or the person's username on Facebook. So let me tap on where you can see search. So let me tap on it. So let me quickly search for the person I want to make an admin. Let me search for the person. So you can see they are giving me suggestions. So that's the person I want to add. You can see the person's name there at the top. So if you want, what you have to do is to search for the person that you want to make an admin. Then you tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there. With Facebook access, this person I want to make an admin can manage the following. The person can create, manage or delete posts, stories and more as the page. The person can respond to direct messages and make calls as the page. The person can review and respond to comments, remove unwanted content and report activity. The person can create ads, manage ads and delete ads for the page. The person can see the page and content and ads performance. So guys, can see these are all that the person will be able to do once you make the person an admin, you can see what is written down there. They said allow this person to also have full control. Anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone from the page including you, or delete the page. So guys, now you can see, let me just toggle that on, but make sure you have actually thought about this before you go ahead to give someone full access to a Facebook page. So let me toggle this on right away. So guys, now you can see I've given the person full access. So let me tap on give access right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there. For your security, re-enter your Facebook profile password to confirm that this person should have full control and manage everything you can. So guys, let me go ahead now to input my Facebook password. This to actually give the person full access. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my Facebook profile password. So let me tap on confirm. You can see guys, it's loading up. You can see the next step. They say check your email, enter the code we have sent to your email. So let me go over to the email now to get the code. So let me minimize, then let me go over to my Gmail. Where is it? Let me open it up. So guys, now you can see the code right there that was being sent by Facebook. So let me tap on it now to open it. Then let me go ahead now to copy it. Let me copy it now. You can see I've copied it. So let me go back to Facebook. Then let me go ahead now to paste the code right away. Let me paste it real quick. So guys, now you can see I've pasted it. So let me tap on continue. Then let me tap on confirm again. So guys, it's loading. Let's just wait a few seconds. It's going to get done. Wow guys, can see an invitation has been sent to the person. You can see it right there down there. So guys, now you can see they said invitation expires in 31 days. So what is left now is for the person to actually accept the invitation. So let me go back to the person's account now to actually accept this. Let me show you guys how it can be done. So guys, now I've logged into the person's account. So let me go back to the notifications icon at the top. Let me tap on it. Then let me refresh. So guys, now you can see the notification right there. Immediately I refreshed it, it appeared. You can see Amarachi invited you to manage that Facebook page. So let me tap on it now to open it. So guys, now you can see it right there. They said review your invitation to manage this page. The invitation from that person expires in 30 days. So you can either decline or review the information, the invitation. So let me tap on review invitation. Then you can see this is what the invitation is all about. This is the access the person is going to have. So just read through all of it. Then you tap on next. Then you can either accept or decline. So let me tap on accept. You can see, just take your time to read through this so you know the access, the kind of access the person is having to the page, and the kind of power the person will be able to explore as an admin. So let me tap on accept right away. You can see guys, it's loading up. You can see the next step. You can see what's written there. Invitation accepted. With full control, you can switch into the page and manage it directly on Facebook. So I can either tap on switch now or not now. So let me just what am I going to do? Let me tap on switch now. Let me see what it's going to look like. So guys, now you can see I'm now switching into the Facebook page. I'm now an admin. This is how you can actually make someone an admin on a Facebook page. Well guys, can see now I've switched to the Facebook page now, and I have full access and control over the page. So guys, this is how you can actually make someone an admin on the Facebook page, and I believe this was helpful to you. See you in the next upload. Bye.